If you're watching this, congrats, you've survived the night. I almost didn't. Let's see what kind of nonsense today brings.
Jungle traffic? Nah, we go vertical. He screams like a yeti, but rides like a champ. Made it! Nobody died. Bigfoot only screamed once. Progress.
So far, no jungle ghosts, but Bigfoot hasn't blinked in 10 minutes.
That.
I wanted content, not combat. Day 1. Jungle, hunted by copyright drones. I blame TikTok. Still better than Tuesday.
He baited me. The hairy genius baited me.
Good night, weird jungle internet. Don't let the jungle spiders bite.